What's up guys, Shehbaz here. Today we are going to unbox the newly launched flagship smartphone, Xiaomi Mi 11. So here is the box. A box in the box. It has a transparent silicone cover, a SIM ejecting key and other paper documentation. Here is the Xiaomi Mi 11 smartphone. I think in this box has a charger. Let's open it. Yeah, this is a fast charger that can charge with a 55-watt fast charging speed. This is another back cover. This time, this is not transparent. The newest flagship Xiaomi Mi 11 is already available for pre-order outside of China. In China, the smartphone prices is significantly less. Yes, Xiaomi has introduced the Xiaomi Mi 11 smartphone in China, which is going on sale in its homeland. The GizTop store, which is the first to start selling global versions of Chinese novelties, has also begun accepting pre-orders. GizTop supplies goods to almost all over the world. It is important to note that the smartphone only offers a choice of Chinese and English on the menu. However, the smartphone works on 4G and 5G networks in most regions of the world. The online store has confirmed that the shipping of Xiaomi Mi 11 smartphones has begun from the first days of January this year. As for the price, the 8 and 128GB version costs $799, while in China it is priced at $610. And for the global version of the smartphone with 256GB, they ask for $1,099. The Xiaomi Mi 11 received an AMOLED screen, which was highly praised by display-mate experts. The diagonal is 6.81 inches at a resolution of 2K 3200 by 1440 pixels. The display supports a 120Hz refresh rate and a 480Hz touch layer polling rate. The smartphone is based on the Snapdragon 888 single-chip system. It scores more than 745,000 points in the popular AnTuTu test application. It got fast LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 flash drive. The smartphone supports 55 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging, as well as 10 watts reverse wireless charging. The battery capacity is 4600 mAh. The main camera is 108 megapixel with optical stabilization. Image sensors with a resolution of 13 and 5 megapixels are additionally installed. The smartphone runs MIUI 12 based on Android 11. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and comment below the section. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.